Guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Daily. In today's video, we are going to dive into addition wallets websites, which we're going to discover what is happening with addition KYC. So the addition KYC was really excited for the community. Community are really enjoying it, what they are willing to do. Like as people think that the project are going to be cooking very well for the community. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's go together so that we can see what is happening regarding the KYC for iShell wallet. So if this is your first time to visit my YouTube channel, kindly sit down, watch the video from beginning to the end so that you don't miss any update. So let's go at it. So first, when you enter Addition website, so you have to come to this site and click. So let's click on it. So when we click on it, as we can see, we have sign in and sign up. So we have to sign in. So let's click on sign in. So we have to import it our main address. Since we know that we are on testnet, so don't come for mainnet. If you come to sign in for a mainnet, it will not go. It will not work for you since the mainnet is not launched yet. So we are on testnet. That definitely you have to be on testnet. That's it. So let's put our document. So as you can see, I have imported my document. So I need to come and click on signing. So let's click on it. So we have successfully logged in into our Addition wallet. So if you want to see, or if you may see what is happening regarding the KYC for Addition wallet, so we have to come back and click on this side so that we will see what is happening regarding the KYC application or KYC information. So regarding the KYC information, obviously later on they put it here, among this list that they provide. So unfortunately, for now, they disable the KYC methods for all of their users that they are on their testnet. So as you can see, we have home, ecosystem, media, social support, and my face again. So this is all the features that they provide for here. So later as later as they put it among these all those list that you can see. So there was something which is KYC. So let's go back. So when we're scrolling, too many people are saying that the KYC application, it is not for everybody. So me, I didn't confirm it, but so many people are saying that it is for any it is not for everybody. It is for ICO users info important community often, which is ICO. So let's scroll down and we may see what is what is exactly for ICO. So ICO cells, it is they have 14% for the ICO cell that they are going to share regarding the ICO cells. Angel cells, we have team reward. So so here is the token mix. Here is how they are going to make a proper system for their tokening. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.